Let us start with next one. That is question number 21. Benzaldehyde and acetone can be best distinguished using. So when it comes to benzaldehyde, it is given by C6H5CHO. This benzaldehyde is a weak reducing agent. We should know this. Benzaldehyde is a weak reducing agent. Hence, it has the capacity to reduce Tollens reagent. So one should know Tollens reagent means what? It is ammonical silver nitrate solution. So when I write the reaction of this benzaldehyde C6H5CHO with the Tollens reagent, that is ammonical silver nitrate solution, it gives rise to a silver metal along with the formation of C6H5COOH. But when we take acetone, which is given by the formula CH3C double bond OCH3, this acetone is not easily oxidized and hence it does not give test for Tollens reagent. Hence, the correct answer for this particular question is option D, which is nothing but the Tollens reagent. Next one, question number 22. Formic acid is a stronger acid than acetic acid. So formic acid is HC double bond OH. This is formic acid. Next, acetic acid is CH3C double bond OH. This is acetic acid. CH3COOH. This can be explained using. So here, acetic acid, it contains a methyl group which is electron donating. Extra electron density will be on this carbon. Hence, it shows a effect called as positive inductive effect. And this positive inductive effect, here acetic acid shows positive inductive effect which decreases the acid strength, and as it decreases the acidic strength, negative charge, and it increases the negative charge on carboxylate ion. Because when the electron donating group is there, carbon will get extra electron density which decreases the acidic strength. When acidic strength goes on decreases, it increases the negative charge on which ion? Carboxylate ion, which holds hydrogen firmly. Hence, we can clearly tell that it shows a positive inductive effect which can be differentiated from formic acid. Hence, the correct option for this question is option C, which is given by plus I effect or positive inductive effect. Next one, question number 23. The reagent with which both acetaldehyde and acetone reacts is. So here one should know the formula for acetaldehyde as well as acetone. So acetaldehyde is given by what? It is CH3C double bond O single bond H. This is known as acetaldehyde. And one more is acetone. Acetone is given by CH3C double bond OCH3. As we know that both compounds, that is acetaldehyde as well as acetone, contain CH3C double bond O group which can react with sodium hydroxide in the presence of iodine, which gives which type of precipitate? Yellow precipitate. Hence, it can readily form iodoform. So, it can be clearly said that it reacts with, means acetaldehyde as well as acetone both reacts with NaOH in the presence of I2, which is nothing but iodoform reaction, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 24. Which of the following gives an acetaldehyde on dry distillation? So here, dry distillation of acetaldehyde, here acetaldehyde can be obtained by the dry distillation of calcium formate and calcium acetate. Since calcium formate and calcium acetate when it undergoes the reaction, we can get acetaldehyde, that is given by the formula CH3CHO, which can be written by the reaction. So calcium formate, that is CaO, C double bond OH, OC double bond OH, this is calcium formate. This is calcium acetate. So this is the formula for calcium acetate. Both calcium formate and calcium acetate, upon heating, it loses calcium carbonate. So here entire calcium carbonate is lost. So when it is heated at a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius, it loses 2 moles of calcium carbonate. What is left out? C double bond O H, CH3, CH3, C double bond OH. Hence it gives 2 moles of CH3, C double bond OH, which is nothing but acetaldehyde. Hence the correct option for the question is option A. Next one, question number 25. Oil of wintergreen is, so already we have discussed this. Oil of wintergreen is nothing but what? It is methyl salicylate, where this methyl salicylate is obtained by the action of salicylic acid along with what? Methanol. And this methyl salicylate is given by the formula OH, that is benzene ring with OH along with COO CH3, which is known as methyl salicylate, where this methyl salicylate is called as an organic ester, which gives the smell of oil of winter green. Hence the correct option for the question is A, which is nothing but an organic ester.